In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download the PS5 version of Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can actually check what version of Fall Guys you actually have on your PlayStation. So just highlight Fall Guys, look next to the title, and if it says PS4, that means you're playing on the PS4 version, and if it says PS5, you're on the correct version. A lot of people accidentally download the PS4 version first, and if you're downloading a game for the first time, you just need to search for Fall Guys in the PlayStation Store, select the game, and in the top left corner, it may say PS4. To switch versions, select the three dots next to the play button, choose select version, pick PS5, and download that one instead. But if you already have the PS4 version installed, just highlight it on your home screen, press the down pad, and then select the three dots, select choose version, and then switch to the PS5 version. You can obviously install both versions, but make sure that you are launching the PS5 one, just since it is going to be better graphically as well as mechanically. It's not going to be as laggy as the PS4 version, for example, but it really is as simple as that. A quick little recap, just check the label next to Fall Guys to see if it's PS4 or PS5, go to the three dots, select version, and then of course choose PS5 and download the correct one. Now you're going to be playing the most optimized version of Fall Guys for PS5. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.